Okay, so a component, a content component can be put on any page. And one way you can figure that out is go to the block settings. And if you go to the gear, you can see which component type it is. It's the Bento card grid. Then we just give it any name you want up here. So you're going to put a content component on another page, but you're going to select the Bento card grid. This one has a background color of white, foreground color of a white, and a secondary background color of whatever this is. The section title, I'm not sure how much of this applies to this actual Bento card grid, so you'll just have to play around with the settings part. When we get to the editing of it, then that all those attributes will only apply to this Bento card grid. So I'm going to cancel here. We'll go over to our home page, go to the zones, and go to the main or section A zone that has all of our stuff in it. We're going to add another block. We're going to call this one a content component. There's a little cheat sheet quick thing here. We can call it our Bento grid. Hit save. Now right now it's showing up at the very bottom, then you can just drag and drop this wherever you want it to be. So I'm just going to leave it at the bottom for now. Now we refresh the screen and we turn our block settings on, and you can see there's a Bento grid down here. So first of all, we're going to configure it. We don't even have the option to edit right now. So we have to configure it, and we're going to give it a Bento grid template. And I don't know what you're going to put in this, but right now I'm just going to call it the Bento grid. And I'm just going to leave everything set the way it is right now as defaults. Scroll back to the bottom of the page. Now if I hit the block settings the second time, now we have the edit button. And why am I only seeing one thing? Test item. This is content. Subtitle. We don't have an image. I can make an image. And now, okay, we have one item. Let's see what happens when I hit edit. I only have one. Okay, so I'm wondering if the multiple thing needs to be hit. There's a if I go to the settings, allow multiple content items. Okay, so we have to check that box. Hit save, go back to block settings with our Bento grid. Okay, so now we can add more items. This is item 2, more text about item 2. Item 3. I don't know what's going to happen if I do that. Subtitle item 3. And I'm just going to say close now and see what happens. Okay, well, we've got 3 items. I'm not sure why we don't have words on them yet. Maybe because we don't have a background color. Yeah, background color is clear, so let's give it a weird background color. Well, that's black anyway. And, oh, that one has an image. I should have done 2. Give it a background color. 3. Give it a background color. Close. Maybe I should have put it at the top of the screen. Okay, so it either needs a background color. I don't know. I'm going to let you play with it from there. Okay?